Oh my goodness. What the heck just happened over the last 6, 7 hours? So, like I said before, I had made a meme coin called vpig for the first time. I made a meme coin in 15 minutes using $60, and I made a video about it. I had seen Ron's Basement. He made unicorn fart dust. And I was like, if he can do it, why can't I? I did some research and I found out you can make your own coins on Pump Fun. All right. Now, I was expecting it to just not work, not do anything, pump a little and then fail. I wasn't looking to flip it. I'm not looking to flip anything. Very bad for those who do it. I've learned that some people do that as a business, as a scam. But not only did I buy a little bit of Ron's coin, so shout out to Ron's Basement Unicorn Fart, just not because I think it's gonna do anything special, just because I wanted to see it on my wallet. I thought it was a cool idea. The fact that he made a coin and in 10 days became a real coin, that's kind of wild. Plus, he's a silver investor and I like silver, and I didn't put a lot of money into it, and I thought it was a fun idea. If any coin, why not his? So shout out to them. My coin, same thing. I have a YouTube channel. You're on it right now. It made sense to me, like memorabilia, to make these tokens. To me, it's like a business card, right? And I'm going to hand them out. I'm going to hand out some vpig coins. I never expected this coin to go to $1 million. This coin that I made for $60 had a market cap of just under $1 million. That's insane. How old is this anyway? 6 days ago, I created vpig. And yes, the market cap has collapsed. It's now $80,000, but still, yesterday, it was a $5,000 coin. It was only $5,000 in market cap. Okay. It took me less than 15 minutes to make, and to create $1 million worth of value in less than 6 days is insane. That's insane. And even now, after the collapse of that short-term bubble, it's still $80,000 worth of value. It's insane. I've learned so much that this video is going to recap some of those lessons. So if you're going to do a meme coin on your own, God bless you. Please don't scam people, because that's not what it's about. I know some people will scam, but for those who are actually legitimately trying to make a meme coin and maybe build a community and learn how to do that, I'm just going to put a list of things to consider. So obviously, you go to pumpfun.com. That's part one. Then you have to come up with your coin. I already covered that in my video. That's the first one. We'll call that part one. You come up with your name, the symbol, a little description, some kind of image or video, and boom, you can create your coin for 0.02 Sol, right? But most of the coins fail. The statistic is that 98% of the coins will fail, and most of them will fail within 12 days. Okay. And I don't even know the number, but a lot of them don't reach the next level. Like, this is the junior level, but there's another radium level. When you get enough liquidity, your bonding curve graduates your coin. And that's when it's a legitimate coin. When you first fund it, you're gonna have very low liquidity, because if there's no support, nobody's going to waste their time. Once you get enough support, then it graduates to the radium level. So that's really what gets it mainstream. I was so happy to see that it was close last night. Last night, the market cap was not $5,000, but $25,000. That was wild. I was so happy with that because the bar made progress. And then today, this morning, it was just spiking like crazy, and I just hopped on and made a live stream. But it's an official coin now. and it probably will be widely distributed. And in the live stream, I met so many cool people that were helping me learn the next steps that I'm going to share some of those. Let's see. I made a list. So they're not in the correct order, but steps for making a meme coin. Obviously, you're going to need pump fund. After you make the coin, 90% of the work is the marketing, like spreading the word, telling people that you exist, sharing a mission. So Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, probably YouTube, Discord, like you're starting a tribe. You're legitimately starting a team, because these people, yeah, they're flipping your coin, but they're actually supporting it too. That's what I saw. Live stream if possible. That's a big thing. Twitter. Everybody kept talking about Twitter. More importantly, locking the coins. That was a big deal. So lock up majority for 1 month or more. That's what they kept saying. Decks get paid, as in to share the info. That was to share the details of the coin. The other thing, boost it on Dex to promote the coin. So I guess it just shares it on the top of the page. That's what, and I don't really know what all of this stuff is, but I'm learning as I go from the people that were in my live stream, who are apparently now my new family, my new community family. So I'm now part of a crypto gang. Somehow I'm into this gang. Now, very important that I didn't pump the coin. Someone took it over. Now, I don't really know how it works, but people were buying the coin and they made it go from 5,000 to 25,000 to 80,000 and $1 million. So I don't know if this whole thing is over. I don't know if that's the end of the coin, but I'm going to go under the premise that this project is still ongoing. And so things that some of the people were mentioning is a long-term plan. You got to have a long-term plan. Now, education and charity were the things that we came up with. Somebody said animal. So if it does keep going and it becomes a real club, community, whatever, if there is any profits to distribute, that could be a use case for the coin. Plus, the other thing is, because the whole point of this coin is to spread education, holders get educational content. That's what I got so far. That's what people seem to be vibing towards. But otherwise, the meme coin is just an empty shell. Without the people, hanging out together and supporting something, it's just an empty shell. Speaking of empty shells, while I was doing the live stream, people wanted to see my dogs. They're not my dogs, they're my girlfriend's dogs. So many people were asking about them. And I figured out why. They were making meme coins while I was on the live stream about the dog. I don't know, what is this? A dozen? So my girlfriend has 2 dogs, Kaio and Cheesy, and they're like, show me your dog. And so I was like, okay, fine. Y'all are pumping this coin. So I showed them Kaio, and I'm pretty sure for a while, Kaio, the picture of Kaio, was worth like 60 grand. Yeah, I remember looking at it. At its peak, it was like 60 grand during a live stream. Cheesy, our other dog, let me see if I can find. Cheesy, also worth a lot of money. So there was so much pump and hype and excitement that the images of these dogs, were generating value temporarily. That was wild to see. That was my favorite part. Because now there's meme coins on my dogs, my girlfriend's dogs. So that was hilarious. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long because I want it to be useful. But as far as I know, these are the steps to set up your meme coin. Setting up the meme coin is the easiest part. The hardest part is finding a community. And that I'm no expert. I'm still learning how to do it. But now I've made some new friends. They're in my Discord. They're in my Twitter. And I'm sure they're going to let me know what to do. And that's really all I have for now. Thank you for everyone for making today exciting. And if you want to join us on the journey, subscribe and ask some questions. I'm going to be doing live streams almost every day, I believe. And financial education, Warren Buffett style, Peter Lynch style. See you there. Cheers.